We are now open the floor for a few questions. If anyone would like to ask something, please feel free.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, sir. My question is that what do you believe? Do these boundaries actually exist, or these are just comfort zones in disguise?
It is the comfort zone. I'm just narrating you again because I meet people of all kind. Yesterday I was with one of the IIM professors, IIM Calcutta professors. So I just by chance met somebody in Pune. He introduced me to this gentleman and yesterday we had a dinner with him. I had a dinner with him. He was talking about one family where the younger person, his parents were looking after Tauji and his father looking after business. And this guy, young person like you, he went to this professor and told him that my father is not allowing me to perform. Because he wanted in a different way things. तो उसने एक बात बताई, बहुत अच्छी बात बताई कि यू आर द प्रोसेस. आप प्रोसेस हो. जो स्टूडेंट जो गया था, जो लड़का यंग बॉय, और वो पेरेंट्स कौन है? वो आत्मा है. अब ये दोनों का जब तक मिलन नहीं होगा तब तक क्या हम शरीर चल सकता है? नहीं चल सकता है. तो हमको बाउंड्रीज पार करने के लिए कंफर्ट जोन से तो निकलना ही पड़ेगा. एवरीबडी हैज पास थ्रू दोज kind of times. Do you believe, can you think of, I have lived a life in Calcutta, in Bada Bazaar, in a small room where 4 persons used to sleep for 5 years when I did my CA. When my father, once I had a argument with my father after I did my inter. That time I had literally decided कि अब फादर से अब कोई संपर्क नहीं रखना. मेरे उन्होंने मेरी, I was young, so I was little. I am not telling you to do that, but I am one of the loved son of my father. I can tell you. तो उन्होंने जब मेरे ऊपर बहुत गुस्सा किया एक बार किसी मेरी गलती के बिना, तो मैंने क्या किया? Immediately I came to Calcutta and I stopped calling for the money from my home. I started a part-time job. And coincidentally, just couple of months back, I was renovating my office. The work was going for 6 months. And the office where I took my temporary office, opposite to that I saw that where I started my career for 250 rupees per month for their doing their accounts. So, to get success, you have to come out of the comfort zone. Then only you'll have the experience of life.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for such an insightful and inspiring address. It was truly a privilege to hear you speak.
Now it is truly a privilege to invite CA Anil Kariwala sir to address us.
Jai Shri Krishna Ramesh ji, Jai Shri Krishna Khyati, so which covers the entire spectrum of this room. Good morning, folks, everyone. My name is Anil Kariwala. I am a CA, and CPA and a CMA, and a Stanford University graduate. This morning is such an honor to be sharing the ancient wisdom. The wisdom is not mine, from my book, Business Yoga, which is translated in 6 languages, selling the world over, translated in German, Dutch, French, Italian, and Spanish. And I wrote the book in English. The Hindi edition, abhi bas is month ke end tak aa jana chahiye. Because I wish I could have written in Hindi, लेकिन हिंदी में मुझे किसी और से ट्रांसलेट कराना पड़ा. बड़ी दुख की बात है कि हम लोग अपनी मातृभाषा को प्राय भूल जाते हैं. तो we have to work on that. So this life I didn't succeed in doing that. So here is something about business yoga. If a presentation comes up till such time, most of you might be thinking कि मैं योगा का demonstration करने वाला हूँ. No, I'm not going to do that. All of us, we think if the presentation comes up, it is fine. If not, then we'll go on the fly. कोई बात नहीं. We'll just do it like that. So I'm speaking to you today all about just urja, energies. So most of us, we think that yoga is, and take it as a discussion. I will try, I know I'm going to make you drink through a hose, but we will just have a discussion, right? Don't think as a ज्ञान talk. किसी को भी ज्ञान लगे अगर तो आप लोग हम लोग कॉलेज में करते थे जयेश जी पीछे से सीटी कैट कॉल्स एंड बूइंग वगैरह सब कुछ मंजूर है. I would like to be on the receiving end of the booing and whatever. So feel free to do that. कहीं पे भी बोरिंग लगे ना जरा सा पीछे हम लोग तो क्या करते थे कोई ज़्यादा बोर कर रहा है तो ताली बजाना शुरू कर देते थे. तो आप लोग ताली बजाएंगे तो मैं समझ जाऊँगा कि आप लोग बोर हो रहे हैं. अभी सही हो रहे हैं? नहीं? Okay, that's lovely. So okay, this is business yoga. We'll just I'll go through this. We begin with start with why. These are real pictures of the businesses I run. Not I run, Nimit Matra Bhava Sabya Sachin. I don't run, it's run through someone else, run through my best friend. I call him Lord Krishna. So he's the guy I outsource all my worries to. So our why is, I have a team of 1,000 odd people, now 1,200. And a very joyful bunch of people. I happen to have something with accounting world also. I run a KPO because being a CPA, we work for CPA clients all over US. Thanks to AI, थोड़ी समस्या हो रही है, but we should come through that. But Neeraj, I will not talk much about AI. He knows that whenever I and Neeraj meet, I ask him, Neeraj, तुम कैसे हो नहीं पूछता हूँ, AI कैसी है, ये पूछता हूँ. That's what I do. So this is start with why. Our objective is, all of us, we want to live for only one purpose, to be happy. To be happy. कोई भी अनहैप्पी होने के लिए काम करता है तो जरा हाथ उठाए. Nobody. They don't exist. So all of us, we work to be only one thing, to be happy. And that's the only thing that increases by giving it away. And I believe that the work is the source of that. घर तो है ही. घर तो home is of course the source of joy, but home is joyful, workplace is not joyful, doesn't work. Workplace is stressful and you want home to be joyful, doesn't work. So it has to be both the places wherever you are. There would be roller coasters, कभी कभी दुखी भी होना चाहिए. Otherwise, these are some real pictures of our people. We are always enjoy. So much so that sometimes people wonder कि लोग काम कब करते हैं, right? So now the underlying assumptions for this presentation is that there is a soul, right? If you are religious, you would believe there is a soul. If you are spiritual, you would believe there is a consciousness. If you are थोड़े scientific, you will say there is you are universe. You're connected to the universe. Yat pinde, tat brahmande. So we are connected to the universe. There are 4 basic human needs. Physical needs, all khana pina is necessary. Second is social needs. क्योंकि हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है, right? You remember? So it is the need to love and be loved. That is a social need. Third is mental needs. Need to learn and need to give ज्ञान, जिसके लिए मैं ज्ञान देने के लिए खड़ा नहीं हूँ, लेकिन need to share. We want to learn. We want to share our learning. We would always want to do it with a friend, with a kid, and so on. Fourth is spiritual needs. That's very, very profound. Maslow would want you to believe that this is all in a hierarchy. Abraham Maslow, all of you have heard of him? No. These are 4 wheels of a car. As per our Vedic wisdom, as I was sharing, this wisdom is not mine. This wisdom is 10,000 years old, and I'm only just the wordsmith. मैं शब्दों के साथ थोड़ा खिलवाड़ कर पा रहा हूँ. That's this manifestation of this book. There are 4 wheels of a car. Even if you have a run flat tire, so थोड़ी दूरी चल सकते हैं. If one of the wheels is missing, एक wheel में भी गड़बड़ अगर है, तो गाड़ी थोड़ी दूर चल के बंद हो जाएगी. And the third underlying assumption is there is urja needed for everything. Anyone who can do anything without energy? Raise your hands. No one. They don't exist. So, there are, I'm coming to business, then I will come to Urja. Business, all of you are business people. Don't think a businessman, matlab, Ramesh Maheshwari leading with leading Leadstone energy, that business is anything exchange of value. Even if you are in a job, you are still a business person. What are you doing? You are exchanging your knowledge and time in exchange for remuneration. We don't use the word compensation. That's something which is absolutely forbidden in our organization. Whenever, if you're looking for a job or if you're hiring someone, when you get into practice or whatever, never compensate your employees. Shabda Brahma. When do you compensate? When you hurt someone, right? So why use the word compensation? In our organization, 2 words are forbidden. We don't have an HR department, no human resources. Human is not a resource. It is human relations हो सकता है, human resource नहीं हो. Resource अगर है, तो हम इसको exploit करना चाहते हैं. No, we don't want to exploit resource. We want to potentialize, to maximize the ability of a human potential. So you can have, when you are floating your CA firms or doing anywhere, convert the HR department into HP department, human potential department. So that is business is exchange of value, right? The purpose of business is single purpose, raise the standard of living. Better car, better clothes, better phone, better house, everything better, all material things, they have to be better. And what is the purpose of yoga? This was me on Daytona Beach. I have done a lot of sessions in America on business yoga. Somehow, किताब थोड़ी चल पड़ी है, रॉयल्टी बड़ी अच्छी लगती है मुझे, रॉयल्टी आती है तो. So business, that was on Daytona Beach. A bunch of Americans, we had a great deal of discussion about that. So many people think that yoga is physical exercise, vrikshasana karna hai, shirshasana karna hai, and so on. You can do that, of course. But it is much more than that. Yoga is literally Bengali mein jog, Bangla jog bola hai na, right? Jog is adding more than one thing together is yoga. Here is combination of mind, body and consciousness, soul, universe, जो भी कह लो आप. That is what yoga is. Yoga का एकमात्र purpose है raise the standard of life. Now I'm not talking about any work-life gyan balance. I do not believe in that. So this presentation is not about work-life balance. Work-life balance का अगर myth जो है, I know many of Gen Z is very besotted with the idea of work-life balance होना चाहिए. How many of you do a sleep-life balance? Sleep-life balance? Food-life balance? Music-life balance? कोई नहीं, क्यों नहीं? If anything is an integral part of your being, जिसके बिना हम रह ही नहीं सकते, उससे साथ बैलेंस क्यों करना? That is your internal part of your being. Right? Sleep-life balance, बिना sleep के रह नहीं सकते हम. Similarly, बिना वर्क के नहीं रह सकते. हम कर्म के बिना नहीं रह सकते. नीरज ना कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते. कर्म के बिना हम नहीं रह सकते. So the objective of yoga is only one: raise the standard of life. So what is business yoga? Business yoga is the balance between the standard of living and the standard of life, not work life. Standard of living बहुत बढ़िया बड़े बड़े मकान है और कोई रहने वाला नहीं है, किसी से रिलेशनशिप नहीं है. ये सारी रिलेशनशिप है. और सुखस्य मूल धर्मस्य मूल अर्थस्य. पैसा भी चाहिए. दिस इज फ्रॉम अर्थशास्त्र. अर्थस्य मूल राजस्य मूल इंद्रिय जयस्य, विच मीन्स द रूट ऑफ धर्म, हैप्पीनेस का रूट है धर्म. धर्म डजंट मीन रिलीजन. डोंट टेक इट द अदर वे. इट्स नॉट रिलीजन. Is whatever you do responsibly is dharma. Am I right, Ramesh? Responsibly हम कुछ भी काम करें अपने नियमबद्ध होकर करें, that is dharma. धर्म और धर्म का मूल है अर्थ. अर्थ is all material things which is being taught. उसके बिना जीवन नहीं चल सकता. और अर्थस्य मूल राजस्य. So you have a very big responsibility. राजस्य 2 तरह के होते हैं. एक राजस्य जो राजा जो होगा, गवर्नमेंट एंड वॉट एवर, प्लस अपने मन का राजा तो हर व्यक्ति है. कोई ऐसा है जो अपने मन का राजा नहीं है? नहीं होता. दे डोंट एग्जिस्ट. अपने मन के राजा हम सब हैं. और राजस्य मूल इंद्रिय जयस्य. India, all your sense organs. इंद्रियों का जय करना is राजस्य मूल. So we are Urja, इस event का नाम ही ऊर्जा है. I didn't make this presentation especially for this. This is mostly meant for European audiences. So we need three forms of energy. First is chemical energy, food se jo aa rahi. You eat food, I had coffee, it converted into adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, you heard all from life science, yaad hoga na school ka? So adenosine triphosphate, which converts into chemical energy, which runs the metabolic processes, mitosis, meiosis. Yaad hai na sara? Mitosis, meiosis, cell division and everything. It all requires chemical energy. Second is electrical energy. EEG किसी का हुआ नहीं है ना? I hope none of you have had EEG, किसी का नहीं हुआ है. So, but science discovered it only a few decades ago that the mind runs on electrical energy, the brain. The brain is a physical organ, mind is a metaphysical organ, metaphysical part of your being. Third is pranic energy that runs your consciousness, आपकी आत्मा को जो चला दी. So this is all about Urja. We will do express, I know, कितना time है नीरज? 45 तक time है, right? I know it will be drinking through a hose, but we will make it very fast. And normally in Europe and America, वो लोग थोड़े slow है ना, तो 2-2.5 घंटे लग जाते हैं उनके साथ में. But we will make it very, very fast. You are fast guys. We'll make it super fast. So pranic energy runs through the 7 chakras of your body. All of you had chakron ka sara chakra. All of you have heard of that. You can see the thing, right? Let me begin with the first chakra, the root chakra, Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara chakra is all about foundation and stability. हमारे सारे सातों चक्र से सारी एनर्जी जा रही है. This energy is metaphysical, physical and metaphysical. Physical में साइंस बिलीव करती है, metaphysical में साइंस अभी तक बिलीव नहीं कर रही, but they will believe it. The way they started believing that electricity runs the mind, electric energy runs the mind. So Mooladhara chakra is all about foundation and stability. All the basic needs are energized with this. किसी को भूख लगनी बंद हो जाए तो द मूलाधार चक्र इस थोड़ा गड़बड़ है, और किसी को दैट इज एक तरफ है, और दूसरी तरफ अगर हो गया वो हर वक्त खाता ही रहता है. देयर आर पीपल ना, यू हैव सीन इन बुफेज, जो एकदम टेबल के ऊपर ही खड़े रहते हैं. अरे भैया हट जाओ, करते हैं ना हम लोग ऐसे. देयर आर पीपल इन कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, वो घड़ी देखते रहते हैं कि अरे कब लंच टाइम होने वाला है. आई नो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट. आई होप यू डोंट डू दैट. So that is Mooladhara chakra. Second is sacral chakra. I am being very, very fast on this. So second chakra is Swadhisthana chakra. Sacral chakra. Mooladhara chakra is located at the base of your spine. At the base of your spine. Sacral chakra is chakra which is located at the genitals. As the name says, creativity and innovation, not just for creativity, creating babies only, no. It is the one that drives all the energies for any desires, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So काम is not just sex, काम is desires, management of desires. अगर कोई चीज़ के desire नहीं है, अगर कुछ भी, बहुत लोग कहते हैं ना, अरे किसी चीज़ में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, किसी चीज़ में रुचि नहीं है, कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. People sink into depression because of lack of desire. That is the Swadhisthana chakra. Here, if this chakra is imbalanced, these people would be always thinking about, if there is a boy and a girl talking, they would always be gossiping about it. लड़का लड़की बात कर रहे हैं अगर, they would always think a boy and girl can't be friends, right? हमारे ज़माने के लोग थोड़ा ज़्यादा सोचते थे, आजकल नहीं सोचते हैं ऐसा. But that is a warped mind. And over-energized, these are the people who commit crimes, harassments, sexual crimes and so on. Third is Manipurak chakra. The solar plexus, which रमेश जी ने कहा, सुबह के वक्त में जब हम जल्दी देखते हैं, उठते हैं, स्काई का कलर चेंज होते हुए देखते हैं, that is the time your solar plexus starts kicking in, your energies. Usha Kal. You have heard of Usha Kal? Usha नाम से कोई है यहाँ पे? पुराने जमाने का नाम है ना, all your youngsters, Gen Zs. So Usha Kal में, that is the time your energies, leadership and confidence. And I remember my dadi would tell me, पेट में डरी को नहीं, डर पेट से क्यों होता है? राइट, यू हैव बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक, राइट? इट ऑल कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम हियर. डर लगता है ना हॉरर फिल्म देखते वक्त में, क्या भूल भुलैया, बड़ा टेंशन हुआ होगा किसी कुछ कुछ को, तो दैट डर इज हियर, बट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इज ऑल्सो हियर. So all of you, when you went for the first time on the stage speaking, or you will go on the first time on the stage, all of us pass through one emotion, butterflies in the stomach. यहीं पे आता है. धीरे धीरे as you rise above it, so this gives your confidence, right? इसमें अगर misbalance हो जाता है, then also it's a trouble. अगर over confidence होता है ना, तो कुछ लोगों को आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, माइक नहीं छोड़ते. माइक मैं छोड़ दूंगा, डोंट वरी. माइक को पकड़ लेते हैं ना तो छोड़ते नहीं है माइक. इतना ज़्यादा ओवर एनर्जाइज्ड हो गया है कि लोग इंतजार करते, अरे भैया छोड़ दो छोड़ दो. दिस इज वॉट हैपन्स. दैट इज द सोलर प्लेक्सस, दैट इज योर मणिपूरक चक्र. मणि दिखाने के लिए होती है ना वहाँ. यू आर सो ऑब्सेस्ड विथ योर सेल्फ, आई मी एंड माई सेल्फ. अरे मेरे अलावा मैं हूँ तो अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, मेरे बिना तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. दैट इज your solar plexus, that is your Swadhisthana chakra. These are the lower chakras. As you go higher up, this is your Anahat chakra, the heart chakra. Heart chakra, this is the chakra when you start connecting with people. Everything, CA practice is all about relationships. It's not just about signing documents. Any fiduciary responsibility is always about relationship. It is about emotional intelligence. डैनियल गोलमैन की एक बुक है, रमेश जी ने मुझे गिफ्ट दी थी, एंड दो आई डिसअपॉइंटेड यू, मेरी बुक पहले से ही पढ़ी हुई थी. सो इट इज़ वन ऑफ दोज बुक्स, वन ऑफ दोज सेमिनल बुक्स. आई वुड रिकमेंड ईच वन ऑफ यू टू रीड इट. आई स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड ऑल ऑफ यू टू रीड इट. अगर रीडिंग में मन नहीं लग रहा है तो एटलीस्ट लिसन टू पॉडकास्ट. दैट डजेंट मीन कि कल मेरा पॉडकास्ट स्टॉक एज का विवेक बजाज के साथ में पॉडकास्ट कल ही पब्लिश हुआ है. डू सी दैट. बट बुक में मन नहीं लग रहा है अगर, तो पॉडकास्ट पढ़ देखना. अगर वो भी मन नहीं लग रहा है, देन यू आर इन ट्रबल. पीपल हु डोंट रीड आर नो बेटर देन पीपल हु कांट रीड. टेक माई वर्ड्स फॉर इट. अगर हम नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं ना, देन वेरी सून वी विल फाइंड आवरसेल्व्स टू बी कंप्लीटली इररेलेवेंट. वेरी सून. सो अनाहत चक्र इज ओवर एनर्जाइज हो जाता है तो यू वुड कम अक्रॉस द वर्ड इमोशनल फूल्स. राइट, यू थिंक, दिल से सोचते हैं. दिस दिल इज नॉट दिस दिल हियर. अनाहत चक्र, हार्ट चक्र इसका नाम दिया हुआ है, इज एनर्जाइज हियर. इट इज ऑल रनिंग थ्रू द सुषुष्मा ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ योर. उसका ईडा पिंगला होता है, बट आज का समय नहीं है, इसमें थोड़ा हम संक्षेप में करेंगे. बट एनी वन ऑफ यू वुड कन्वर्जेंट विथ प्राणिक एनर्जी, नॉट द प्राणिक एनर्जी यहाँ पे भी है, दैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट. दे आर डूइंग ग्रेट वर्क. फिलीपींस के उनका नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, बट प्राणिक एनर्जी इज अ ग्रेट कॉन्सेप्ट, बट दिस इज फ्रॉम द वैदिक विजडम. सो अनाहत चक्र empowers your ability to understand emotions of other people. अपना emotions नहीं. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand emotions of other people. And that is what would make a difference in your practice. Whether you get into practice, whether you get into job, most people do not have this ability कि मैंने ये कहा तो उसका उस पर impact क्या होगा. Most people do not have that ability. But this needs to be energized. I will come to how we can energize these. Higher chakra is Vishuddha chakra. Vishuddhi chakra या Vishuddha, the throat chakra. It is all about ear, nose and throat. एक जेंजी का एक वर्ड है PNPC. Who can tell me the meaning of that? जेंजी के बच्चों से ही सुना है मैंने. PNPC पता है ना? बोलो क्या होता है? परो निंदा परो चर्चा, पर निंदा पर चर्चा. अब ये क्या होता है? विशुद्धि चक्र थ्रोट से जो है अगर मिसबैलेंस हो गया ना, तो पर निंदा पर चक्र पर चर्चा में उनको इतना आनंद आएगा, इतना आनंद आएगा कि पूछे मत. You will be totally energized. If it is misbalanced, you would always be, the best minds, the least minds talk about other people. उससे थोड़े better है, they talk about events. But the best minds would always talk about ideas. It is a hierarchy of that. और उससे भी जो अधम है ना नीचे, वो they were only talking about food. मूलाधार चक्र पे पहुंच जाते हैं. खाने पीने के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलता। शादी में क्या खाया, कौन मिला ये नहीं पूछते, राइट? क्या खाया, अरे कौन मिला ये तो पूछो, ऐसा होता है ना? सो दिस इज विशुद्धि चक्र, दिस इज द चक्र दैट ड्राइव्स, एनर्जाइजेस योर ऑथेंटिसिटी। कुछ लोगों को देखते ही लगेगा अरे यार ऑथेंटिक आदमी है, उसकी एनर्जीज हो गई है वैसी, उसकी एनर्जी वैसी हो गई है कि ये दे ड्राइव, दे लुक ऑथेंटिक व्हाइल यू आर टॉकिंग टू देम। और किसी से मिलते ही लगता है कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा बेचारे ने, लेकिन देखते ही लगता है लोग चोर, आप तो लगते हैं, आपका तो लगता है बस यही सपना, ऐसा है ना? क्या क्या राम राम जपना पराया माल अपना, बट आई डू नॉट लाइक दैट वर्ड राम राम। ये बॉलीवुड का जरा बड़ा कंस्पिरेसी है, राम राम जपना पराया माल अपना, हवस का पुजारी एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स। नो, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बिकम अ सुधांशु त्रिवेदी हियर राइट नाउ, बट आई recommend all of you to see that. We go to even higher chakra, that is Sahasrara chakra, the third eye chakra. This is all about perception. This drives your energies of perception. What is perception? Perception is picking up from the data that is around you, understanding the data, interpreting the data. That is perception. Once your ability to perceive is energized, then comes your ability to intuit. Intuit, not that company, QuickBooks वाली company. India से Intuit बंद हो गया ना? So not that company. Intuit is the ability to intuition. Intuition comes without data. Intuition is bhakti yoga, right? उसके लिए data नहीं चाहिए. So all the startups, all the founders, and I wish some of you will take the entrepreneurial route, found something. You would have to be crazy people. Crazy people के अंदर से intuition आता है, वो कहते हैं कि this is the idea and this will work. That is what bhakti is. This is my idea, whether it is Brian Chesky of Airbnb or whether it is Elon Musk at that time कि PayPal, account number क्यों चाहिए, email address पे पैसा चला जाएगा. Sounds like a crazy idea, but it all worked. They believed in themselves so much that this is called bhakti yoga. भगवान का नाम लेना भी भक्ति योग है. But this is where it becomes your ability to intuit. That is intuition and perception. I mean, though I mentioned intuition and vision, vision is doing any work without a vision. There is nothing more wasteful than doing a work without a vision. उससे बड़ा exertion हो ही नहीं सकता. और having a vision and not working for that, रमेश जी जो कह रहे थे, hard work and smart work. Having a vision and not doing any action is hallucination. उससे बड़ा क्या था, एक टीवी में सीरियल आता था, किसके हसीन सपने था, नाम भूल जा रहा हूँ, मुंगेरी लाल, मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने. तो इट बिकम्स लाइक दैट. विजन है और एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं है, किसी काम का नहीं है भाई. विजन है तो ये बिकम, हाँ क्या विजन है, क्या सपने, मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने. सो दैट इज दैट ऑल्सो, अगर मिसबैलेंस है वो भी इसी से एनर्जाइज होता है, थर्ड आई चक्र से. लग रहा है कि हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, और करते कुछ नहीं. विच ब्रिंग्स मी टू द फाइनल चक्र. 6 चक्रस के लिए हमको प्रयत्न करना होता है. एंड आई विल टेल यू इन अ शॉर्ट मोमेंट कि प्रयत्न कैसे हो सकता है. आई नो टाइम इज लिमिटेड. प्रयत्न कैसे होता है, आई विल गेट बैक टू दैट. सहस्त्रार चक्र इज एट द top of the, it's called the crown chakra. This energizes your ability to connect with the universe. Your body becomes antenna. किसी भी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे आप अगर सेट हैं, अगर आपको रेडियो एफएम सुनना है या कुछ भी सुनना है, रेडियो मिर्ची सुनना है, तो उसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी उस पर अट्यून होना पड़ेगा ना. Then only you can capture those ones. Otherwise, if you're in a wrong frequency, you will get the wrong stuff. No rocket science on that. Similarly, if you want to get the universal good, भगवान ने हमारे लिए सब कुछ दे रखा है. We only have to capture it. And that antenna is your Sahasrara chakra. Right? How do you do all these things? It's a big question. There are Ashtanga Yoga. Right? Now, it is not physical exercises. We begin with number 1. Before I would leave, I do want some question answers from you. That's why I am rushing through this as fast as possible. यमराज वाला भी कह सकते हैं. It's basically with प्रिंसिपल्स, यम इज जो प्रिंसिपल्स है प्रोफाउंड है, मृत्यु एकदम सत्य है, एकमात्र सत्य है, तो दैट इज वाई यम राज, राइट? यम जो होते हैं, दीज आर प्रिंसिपल्स. एज योर everything begins with your thoughts. As your thoughts are, very soon they manifest into words. As your words are, very soon they manifest into actions. As your actions are, repeated actions, they become habits. Repeated habits, they become your character. And जो character होता है, वैसी ही aura बन जाती है. Right? You know aura? Aura is a physical phenomenon. People used to think it is metaphysical, but it is physical because it can be photographed by using Kirlian photography. Kirlian, Kirlian photography. Look at, Google it up. Now AI it up. Why Google? Just AI it up. Go into Gemini, go into ChatGPT, Claude. I'm a fan of Claude, by the way. So go into that and you will figure out that ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Aura का एक ही function है. What you attract, what you repulse. Any of you made a girlfriend? It was not her beauty. It was the aura which got you connected. You made a boyfriend. You connected with the aura of that person. 10 लोगों में एक जन ही क्यों पसंद आया? It was the aura. That is what they say wavelengths match हो रहे हैं. बातचीत ही नहीं हुई अभी तक. But still you find yourself attracted to that person to speak to that person. नहीं, इससे बात करते हैं. Aura होती है, positive aura है. जैसे रमेश जी की पॉजिटिव ऑरा है, उनसे मिलते ही मेरा हमेशा मन करता है रमेश जी आइए कॉफ़ी पीते, अपने चाय पीते. पॉजिटिव ऑरा. अगर नेगेटिव ऑरा हो तो एक बार मिला, अच्छा फिर मिलेंगे, किसी दिन मिलेंगे, एक दिन आइएगा. रिमेंबर, एनीवन हु सेज कि एक दिन घर आइएगा, इसका मतलब कभी घर मत आइएगा, राइट? एक दिन वो एक दिन कभी आना ही नहीं है. टुमारो नेवर कम्स. एक दिन भी कभी नहीं आता. सो दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ऑरा. नमस्कार, जय श्री कृष्णा किशन जी, राधे राधे. So that is what you attract and what you repulse determines your destiny. Your destiny literally begins with your thought. अगर thought हमने रखी कि सुबह उठना है, जो thoughts के बारे में रमेश जी कह रहे थे in his opening address, and I picked up from a lot of stuff from that, it is just this only. Begin with the thought कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. The lady over there, you asked a great question about boundaries. Boundaries are nothing. Right? They are just your comfort zones, your imaginary comfort zones. Leap beyond that, you can do anything. You can do anything from living in 4 people living in a single room to a beautiful, one of the nicest properties of Calcutta. Am I, थोड़ा सा audio गड़बड़ हो रहा है ना? Nice, fine, okay. Second is, we come to नियम. नियम is, कुछ भी काम करें, हमको नियमबद्ध करना चाहिए. So if you decided, get very inspired by Ramesh ji, and tomorrow morning you wake up at 5 o'clock, और फिर दोपहर भर सबको बताते रहे, आजकल मैं 5 बजे उठती हूँ, आजकल मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाते हैं. जो लोग कहते हैं आजकल हम मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जा रहे हैं, मार्क माई वर्ड्स, वो मॉर्निंग वॉक उसी दिन शुरू किया, उसने उसी दिन शुरू किया. कुछ भी काम करना है नियमबद्ध होकर करना. डू इट, टाइम फॉलो करना है, मेक इट एज अ हैबिट कि अगर टाइम पे आप नहीं पहुंचे इसका मतलब मेरी घड़ी रॉन्ग है. सो योर रेपुटेशन हैज़ टू प्रिसीड यू. वो कब होता है? जब नियम से हम काम करते हैं, अदरवाइज हो ही नहीं सकता. तो नियम के 5 अंग हैं, इसके बारे में तो मैं स्किप करता हूँ. इसका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट नियम है 3, लास्ट 3 और 4 पे जरा मैं कहता स्वाध्याय. इज टेक टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ. आई कैन बी फाउंड, डोंट सी मी, बट आई विल गिव आउट द एड्रेस. I am at the Hyatt coffee shop on the 1st of every month from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, having coffee with myself. My phone is shut off. You can't reach me on phone. Try it out next time. You will never find me from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. That is my Swadhyaya period. I sit down with a cup of coffee with myself, with my red diary, physical diary, not digital diary. Otherwise, I'm a fan of everything digital. I would sit down with myself to find out challenges faced and resolved on my own. Challenges faced, resolved with someone else's help. Challenges faced unresolved, but there is something I can do about it. And challenges faced unresolved, and there is nothing I can do about it. I can do nothing about Strait of Hormuz. We are in export business. अब वहाँ पे डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ने बम फोड़े जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं? There is nothing that we can do about it. It's a challenge faced. There is nothing we can do about it. except for becoming anti-fragile. Right? Nicholas Taleb, you have heard of the word black swan, the author of that. When things are difficult around you, how stronger you become. Anything that doesn't kill you does only one thing, makes you stronger. Remember that thing. जितनी बार भी कोई कह रहा है, say any of you startup founders, anytime, every time anybody tells you कि तुमसे नहीं होने वाला है, इसका मतलब तुमसे होने वाला है. Because most people are not able to have that ability to understand. Fifth is Ishwar Pranidhan. When we outsource, we should always outsource to the guy who is running the largest outsourcing firm in the world. लॉयर सीए को आउटसोर्स करते हैं ना हम लोग. भाई अकाउंटिंग अगर ऑडिट करना नहीं आता है, अब तो लाइसेंस नहीं है, ऑडिट करना तो खैर आता था, बट आउटसोर्स करते हैं सीए फर्म्स को. लॉ नहीं आता है तो आउटसोर्स करते हैं. राखी, हाउ टू आउटसोर्स टू एमएस डावर, एल व्हाट इज द नेम, या. So we outsource to a legal firm. When worries are there, just outsource to the guy who is running the largest outsourcing firm in the world. For me, that guy is Lord Krishna, Ishvara. Ish, one who is capable of. ये आपका कोई भी हो सकता है. Ish means one capable of. Vara means जो चुन लिया. स्वयं वरा, जो खुद चुन लिया, स्वयं वरा. Right? Ishvara, जो आपने चुन लिया. So it could be this microphone, this television, this could be Lord Krishna. My limitation, I like to view him as Lord Krishna. Gives me a little bit satisfaction. And it could be in any other रूप, किसी रूप में हो सकता है. Third is asanas. This is action. स्थिर सुखम आसनम. कुछ भी काम करें स्थिरता के साथ, सुखपूर्वक अगर कर सकते हैं तो वो आसन है. अगर इसीलिए आसन में स्टैटिक होते हैं, खड़ा होना है, एक पैर पे खड़ा होना है, तो यू कैन डू दैट. दिस इज आसनम, स्थिर सुखम आसनम. दे आर पीपल इस चीज़ को ट्राई करते हैं, नहीं ये नहीं हो रहा, इसको छोड़ देते हैं. इसी ये एग्जाम आने वाला है, ये बुक लिया, इससे मन नहीं लग रहा, इसको करते हैं. यू जंप फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर, यू विल नेवर क्वालिफाई एज ए सीए. फोकस ऑन वन थिंग. उस आसनम, एक सब्जेक्ट पर अगर बैठे हैं तो उस पर पूरा बैठे रहना पड़ेगा. द वन थिंग, डू वन थिंग एट अ टाइम, डोंट डू मल्टीटास्किंग. पढ़ते पढ़ते व्हाट्सएप पे रील चलेगी नहीं. यू कैन ट्राई इट बट इट डजंट वर्क. राइट? Fourth is pranayam. I was very intrigued in chapter 4 of Gita. Lord Krishna says to Arjun, apane juhavati pranam, prana apanam tatha pare, prana prana gati rudva, pranayam parayane. I thought, has Lord Krishna gone nuts? In the middle of the battlefield, सामने आर्मी खड़ी है, बोल रहे हैं प्राणायाम करो, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. So what is pran? I dug deeper into it, found out pran is what sustains you, your life force. You need to identify what's your life force. When you start up your business, start up a practice, take up a job, whatever you do, identify what the pran is. Pran is, for me, in a business, for us, our pran is customer experience. But is that the pran? I figured out, no, that's not the pran. Customer experience, everybody says, we have all believed that customer is God, customer is God. No, it doesn't work like that. हमने सबने सुना है, दादी से सुना होगा ना, मम्मी से, हरि से बड़ा हरि का नाम सारी कथाओं में आती है. श्री हरि सत्संग समिति के अध्यक्ष बैठे हैं हमारे सामने. हरि से बड़ा हरि का नाम होता है. तो लेकिन हरि का नाम क्या सचमुच हरि से बड़ा होता है? बट हरि का नाम इज द वे टू रीच हरि. राइट? दिस इज नॉट ए स्पिरिचुअल डिस्कोर्स. आई फिगर्ड आउट, for best customer experience, you need to have the best employee experience. If your employees are the happiest bunch of people, they are the best trained people, that's what JSG, JSG, Roshanji and Neeraj are doing. What are they doing? They are trying to enhance the employee experience, even though you are article, अभी भी article clerks कहते हैं क्या? एज आर्टिकल असिस्टेंट्स कहते हैं. सॉरी, हमारे ज़माने में क्लर्क होते थे, हम लोग क्लर्क कहा करते थे, बड़े प्राउडली कहते थे हम लोग आर्टिकल क्लर्क हैं. सो आजकल थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड इम्प्रूव हो गया. सो दैट वॉज द टाइम वेयर यू वुड so our experiences, if employee experience is better, your customer experience would already be better. Any of you have been to an Apple physical store, you'll find a superlative experience. Superlative experience, everyone knows. Any country of the world, physical Apple store में you go in, आप खरीदे बिना निकल ही नहीं सकते. Because that is coming from such well-trained, such joyful employees. that you decide, yaar, ye to le hi lete. Right? Fifth is pratyahar. That's the fifth limb of yoga. The art of letting go. It's different from giving up. What pratyahar is done of three things: people, process, and technology. Technology is the easiest. Pratyahar, phone खराब हो गया, तुरंत change करना है. गाड़ी change करनी है. अभी आप लोग नहीं कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन when you do that, Neeraj does that, Jayesh does that, गाड़ी change कर. Technology पुरानी हो गई, we change it. Easier thing to do. Then becomes more difficult thing. Process. आपने कहा ना process और पिता जो है बेटा, process का प्रत्याहार करना बहुत difficult होता है. Sometimes they get so besotted with old ideas, especially people of my age group, कि नहीं अब तो ऐसा ही होता है. Old is gold. पुराने जमाने के गाने अच्छे होते थे. Now, the moment you build up this paradigm is the way you look at things, and unless you shift from that, you are totally besotted with old processes. Old processes, dinam navam namami nanda sambhavam. उसको change करना जरूरी है. अगर वो change नहीं होगी तो नहीं चलेगा. Third and the most difficult is people. People pratyahar. Those of you might have got into some relationships, but then once you are into a relationship, then you find, oh my God, it's too toxic, लेकिन निकल नहीं पा रहे. That is what letting go begins with. Very, very difficult. Sometimes somebody is very close to you. तो जैसे रमेश जी ने एग्जाम्पल दिया, आपकी स्पीच से मैं सारी बातें निकाल के आपसे, अच्छा हुआ आपकी स्पीच मेरे से पहले थी. तो क्या हुआ? He was very upset with his father. What did he do? He just went to Kolkata and started decided कि मैं घर से पैसे नहीं लूँगा. Right? उन्होंने सामयिक प्रत्याहार किया, but as a result of which he got closest to your father. Right? And you have reaped the benefits and the dividends of that pratyahar for that moment. Ego ka pratyahar, hatred ka pratyahar. These are the things which we need to let go. Sixth, dharan. This is, okay, I'll ask each one of you, it's my favorite example. How many of you have used a magnifying glass to burn a piece of paper? इतने से ही बस. क्या बच्चे हो आप लोग यार? हाँ, बड़े तो आप लोग, हम लोग तो दिल के बच्चे हैं हमेशा से. हम लोगों ने तो किया ही है. जेन जी का चेक करो. जेन जी सबने किया है ना? सबने किया है, राइट? अब क्या क्या चीज चाहिए थी? जरा सा क्विक वन. एनीवन टेल मी, क्या क्या चाहिए था? मैग्नीफाइंग, टेल मी. सनलाइट एंड और पेपर और मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास और पेशेंस और व्हाट एल्स? एक वेरी क्रिटिकल थिंग जो अभी भी मिसिंग है, फोकस. लेकिन फोकस कहां से आ रहा था? सन से फोकस आ रहा था, लेकिन बट एक चीज और बहुत आवश्यक, एब्सोल्युटली नेसेसरी कंडीशन, पकड़ के रखना इस धैर्य. पकड़ के तो रखना ही पड़ेगा, लेकिन क्या? व्हाट इज नेसेसरी? एब्सोल्युटली नेसेसरी. फोकस, यस, बट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर एन आंसर. यार आप लोग 150 या सीएस लोग हो, आंसर बताओ. डिटर्मिनेशन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट वाज नीडेड वाज conviction is also an answer, but no, the real thing is, which is most important, is the right amount of distance. The right amount. अगर नजदीक गए तो भी नहीं होगा, अगर दूर गए तो भी नहीं होगा. गीता का यही ज्ञान है. No attachment, no detachment. You get too close to it, doesn't work. You get too close to your work, doesn't work. Bookworms, सुना है ना? How many bookworms become chartered accountants? कोई नहीं बनता. चार्टर्ड अकाउंट बनने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव फन टाइम ऑल्सो. गो प्ले अराउंड, डू सम फन टाइम, डू सम बदमाशी ऑल्सो. हम लोग तो बहुत बदमाशी करते थे. आप लोग के यहाँ अलाउड है कि नहीं बदमाशी करना? आई एम नॉट एनकरेजिंग, बाय द वे, आई एम नॉट एनकरेजिंग फोक्स. सो इट इज वेरी वेरी नो, इफ यू गेट टू क्लोज टू समथिंग इट डजंट वर्क. इफ यू गेट टू फार अवे फ्रॉम समथिंग इट डजंट वर्क. सो मच सो इफ यू हैव द राइट डिस्टेंस तो आप उसको धारण कर पाते. यू आर एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब इट. You don't have to memorize anything. You're just able to absorb it. Business organization या whatever name से अभी जो भी papers होते होंगे, अब मुझे पता नहीं क्या क्या papers होते हैं CA में आजकल. If you have the right amount of distance from that, you are able to absorb far much more. धारण तक के लिए प्रयत्न करना पड़ता है. Seventh is ध्यान. All of you have heard of meditation. Dhyan is that also, but that is effortless focus. एफर्टलेस फोकस करने के लिए आप कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हैं, बात करते ही याद हो जाएगा. किसी क्लाइंट के बारे में डिस्कशन हो रहा है, कुछ भी करते ही आप थोड़ी इनकम टैक्स बैठ के मेमोराइज करते हैं, नहीं करते, नॉट पॉसिबल. नया वाला न्यू कोड, इवन दो नो मैटर हाउ सिंपलर इट इज, you can't sit down and memorize. I know I'm running 3 minutes out of time. I'll be very, very quick on this. So that is dhyan. And the 8th limb of yoga is, and the final one is samadhi. Don't think ki, no. वो नहीं है, no. Samadhi is self-actualization. When your antenna, Sahasrara chakra jo hai na, when you become an antenna, your entire body becomes an antenna to connect with the universal resources. कुछ भी पढ़ो सीधा अंदर, कुछ भी जानकारी करो, get into that thing. You want to get into AI, get into it deep. Don't scratch the surface. कुछ भी करना है, accounting जानना, you should know everything about accounting. You want to do music, know. By the way, subscribe to my music channel on Spotify. Speaking of music, 12 albums, and I love that royalty also. So कुछ भी करना है उसके अंदर पूरा प्रवेश करके करना चाहिए. That is when you samadhitva, sam ka adipatya, equanimity is samadhi. So folks, this much about business yoga today morning. So open to questions, very difficult ones. Anyone? Still absorbing? अभी भी धारण हो रहा है?
अच्छा আমার একটা আছে
अच्छा আপনার কোশ্চেনটা বলুন জয়শ্রী.
So with all due respect, just to make it lighter and for everyone to get it, এতগুলো সিএতে সাবজেক্ট আছে, ওটা সামলানো যাচ্ছে না, আপনি আজকে আবার 7খানা 8খানা চক্র দিয়ে দিয়েছেন,
কিন্তু তার কারণ হচ্ছে,
সামলাবো কিভাবে ভাই?
তার কারণ হচ্ছে সব কিছু চক্রের চক্র, সব কিছু চক্রোं का चक्र. अगर हमारे যদি আমাদের চক্র এনার্জাইজ থাকে তাহলে আমরা অনেক কিছু ভালো করতে পারি. যদি এটা আমাদের থার্ড আই চক্র, আজ্ঞা চক্র, এটা যদি এনার্জাইজ আছে তাহলে ইউ আর এবল টু পারসিভ. পারসেপশন, আই সেড ইউ না, perception. So does it happen that when you whatever you perceive from your study material, बोलते हैं क्या आजकल, or books or whatever, but when the exam you're telling you are using your intuitive power, you're not using your perceptive powers, right? You're using your intuitive powers कि ऐसे बना के बोल देना है, this is what I absorbed, this is what I have to write. So it is all about चक्रों का चक्र है. बड़ा आसान काम है, चक्रों का नाम याद रखने की तो जरूरत ही नहीं. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. योग के नाम याद करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. अष्टांग योग के यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारण, ध्यान, समाधि. एज यू नो द प्रिंसिपल्स, यू वुड नो कि क्या क्या चीज़ों का प्रत्याहार करना, क्या क्या प्रोसेस का प्रत्याहार करना. कि पढ़ते वक्त अचानक रील आ रही है, मे बी नोटिफिकेशन बंद कर देते, मे बी ग्रुप नोटिफिकेशन में चले जाते, मे बी दिस इज द टाइम आई विल सी रील्स, दिस इज द टाइम विंडो, ये मेरा नियम है, दिस इज द टाइम विंडो आई एम गोइंग टू सी रील्स. Right? This is the time. Do that. Why not? By all means, make reels also. देखना ही क्या, बनाना भी है reels. Right? I see you have already a podcast system, and I saw 2 young ladies speaking about the direct tax code. You have a podcast room. Keep making lots of reels, but don't be absorbed into it. You have to have the ability where to withdraw. Your magnifying glass. I suggest each one of you buy a magnifying glass. Get a piece of paper. सुबह छत पे जाएं, सुबह के वक्त में बदलते हुए आकाश में जाकर चेक करें कि whether you are able to burn that paper. You would have the ability of an unwavering hand. You would learn the art of having a right amount of distance, and you would be able to dopamine rush होगा. पेपर जलेगा ना, you will find immediate dopamine. लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस के लिए डोज चाहिए, DOSC, dopamine, very important. Oxytocin, which you get by holding a friend's hand, by chatting with a friend. Serotonin, physical योग करने से मिलता है. एंड एंडोर्फिन, जो बढ़िया जलेबी खाने से, बढ़िया डार्क चॉकलेट खाने से. सो DOSC. सो दैट वुड बी वेरी वेरी इजी थिंग टू डू. थोड़ा और डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन.
नहीं, इसमें একটা জিনিস আছে.
हाँ बोलो.
মানে if I am sitting over there as a CS student and at my this age, আমার বয়সে একটা চক্র বলুন, নিরাজ স্যার তো বুঝে গেছে ওনার 16টা চক্রটা ঠিক করতে হবে. আমাদের একটা শুধু বলুন যেটা এখন ঠিক করা যায়.
যেটা চক্র দিয়ে আরম্ভ করতে পারি আমরা, সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের অনাহত চক্র যেটা আছে. Read emotional intelligence. Build up the ability to connect with other people. Human connection is the most important. उसके बिना नहीं हो सकता. What has happened is, I have seen in हमारे कॉलेज का ग्रुप है, लोग बर्थडे विश करना शुरू कर देते हैं. वो अनाहत चक्र जुड़ता ही नहीं. मैं इनवेरिएबली, नीरज यू नो दैट, इनवेरिएबली बर्थडे होता है, मैं वीडियो छोटा सा रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ, send it to that person, or I pick up the phone and tell that person. देर आर सम पीपल हु विश बर्थडे ऊपर वाले का कॉपी पेस्ट कर देते नीचे, और एक बार किसी का बर्थडे था नहीं, स्टार्ट किया, कम से कम 100 लोगों ने बर्थडे विश कर दिया. So this is also happened. That is a complete absence of an archer. Pick up the phone, speak to that. That is the time you speak. Normally what has happened is, for most of the business communication, everybody has moved into too much of talking, too many meetings, synchronous communication. For all relationship, they have moved to asynchronous communication. Wish kar do khali, copy paste kar do. No, that's the time you need to go out for a coffee. Oh, say that I want to meet you for coffee because I want to celebrate your birthday and I want to buy you a coffee. Birthday है तो पार्टी मांगना क्यों, पार्टी देना है, isn't it? जय श्री.
मैं की बात पे इन्होंने कहा कि 5-7 सब्जेक्ट आपने बता दिए. मैं अभी कल कोई पॉडकास्ट आई, हियर लॉट ऑफ पॉडकास्ट ऑन मेनी थिंग्स. यस्टरडे वाज ऑन सम एजुकेशन फील्ड, ए पॉडकास्ट वाज देयर. दे टॉक्ड अबाउट मेमोराइजिंग, कि कैसे फास्ट मेमोरी करे अलग अलग ट्रिक्स के द्वारा. अब जैसे बताया 35 × 35, 35 × 35. तो ही सेड सिंपली 3 नेक्स्ट लेवल पे आप चले जाइए, 3 × 4 12, 5 × 5 25. इन सेकेंड्स यू कैन आंसर. दीज आर द ट्रिक्स. सेकेंड ही सेड दैट सेम पॉडकास्ट ही मेंशन्ड दैट हम लोग नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं, 5 से 6 घंटा कंटिन्यूअस पढ़ते हैं. बोला आज मैंने 6 घंटा पढ़ा, बहुत पढ़ाई किया, बट अल्टीमेटली अंदर में कितना गया. ही हैज प्रूव बाय सर्टन एनालिसिस और सर्वे कि आफ्टर 30 minutes you cannot absorb.
Correct.
Until unless you have a break of 5 minutes. You take a break for music, you take a break for something. So in that, if you follow that, you can absorb whatever Anil ji has said.
In fact, what Ramesh ji is mentioning, that technique is called Pomodoro principle. Anyone has heard of it? You have heard of Pomodoro principle. Follow that. सारी देर इज पूरा ज्ञान का भंडार है, हमारे ऊपर है, ज्ञान की गंगा बह रही है. नाउ विथ AI गंगा भी थोड़ी आसान हो गई है, ऐसे ही भर सकते हैं, राइट. क्रिएट, build up an AI agent for yourself to do very best in your exams. One of the best ways not to forget something is not to remember it. याद करेंगे तब तो भूलेंगे ना, याद क्यों करना है? So find out how you can absorb something, it becomes piece of cake. I know I am running out of time, Neeraj. So one last question from somebody very, very young. All of you are young. I know everyone is young. Sorry, with due apology. Nikita. Yes, Nikita. Go on. Here is the microphone for you.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I would like to question, as you mentioned about Urja, we all are filled with it. But sometimes it happens that energy is negative, or sometimes it's drained. It might have happened in your situation too. So how to handle it with lots of patience and just to get into it without hampering anything and without showing it to the anyone who is on the opposite side of us.
See, हमेशा निरंतर positive energy, positive is impossible. क्योंकि you can to enjoy this air conditioning, you have to feel how hot it is outside, right? तो negative energy अगर आती है, it is driven by negative thoughts, right? Negative thoughts is वही इसके boundaries का जो topic opening address में, keynote address में जो boundaries की topic थी, that is what is about limiting your energies, limiting your potential. This starts with Shabda Brahma, right? You start with, when you start, Shabda Brahma, हमने आरंभ किया था ओम के उच्चारण से, शब्द ब्रह्म. शब्द ब्रह्म में सब कुछ है, गीता में भगवान का नाम ही सर्वोपरि. ओम रूप से सब चीज़ों में, शब्दों में, उच्चारण में ओम है, राइट. सो शब्द ब्रह्म जो होता है, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन आवर कंपनी वी डोंट यूज द वर्ड इंक्वायरी फ्रॉम अ कस्टमर एंड वी डिड दिस 30 years ago. Why would we use the word inquiry from a customer? We use the word, this is an opportunity from a customer. This is an opportunity. Every inquiry is an opportunity. इंक्वायरी बोल के वी हैव अ थिंग दैट इंक्वायरी का आंसर है आंसर, अपॉर्चुनिटी का मतलब है टू ग्रैब इट. सो दैट इज व्हाट वुड चेंज द परसेप्शन ऑफ दैट. कि सीए का इफ आई पास सीए एग्जाम की जगह से व्हेन आई पास द सीए एग्जाम, इतना सा शब्द का फर्क. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ योग, फर्स्ट लिम्ब ऑफ योग, यम, थॉट्स, वर्ड्स Actions, actions to habits, habits to character, character to aura, aura to destiny. Aura is only attracting or repulsing. जिन लोगों जैसे मैं देखा मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है गुजरात में एनी गुजूज हियर गुजूज कोई गुजराती नहीं है नहीं जानते हो गुजराती में किसी से भी पूछो केम छो क्या आंसर देते मजा में छो सबको पता है अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे कैमोन आचन
हेलो
भालो आची अच्छा यहाँ पे लोग पॉजिटिव वाले अधिकतर मैंने सुना है बेचे आची यही चोलचे इट इज नेगेटिव एनर्जी अरे भैया चोलचे ऐसा क्यों करना है उसको अपना कोई मित्र अगर आपका है ऐसा कहे वो नहीं बोलो भालो आज बोलो भालो आज यहाँ पे रहने वाले कई मैंने और बुजुर्गों से भी देखे भाई जी के खबर है चाल है करते हैं ना चाल रही है तो ये चाल रही क्यों अरे बड़े आनंद में हूँ एकदम भगवान की कृपा में भगवान के आश्रय में हम लोग बैठे हैं मज़े में नहीं होंगे इमेजिन इफ आई कम टू JPNR's ऑफिस and I come and tell you, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. जितने भी बाबा जी लोग कहते हैं with due respect, sorry, जितने भी बाबा जी कहते हैं ना दुनिया एकदम दुखों का मेला है और सब कष्ट होता है हम लोग कष्ट झेलने हैं no, we have come to enjoy whatever this journey is, we are thoroughly going to enjoy that with your positive thinking. That is in your hand, that यम आपके हाथ में. अगर उसको मानेंगे दुनिया कारागार है दुखों का मेला है then you can't do it properly. सो कैन यू इमेजिन कि अगर नीरज को कितना दुख होगा मैं बोलूँगा तुम्हारी ऑफिस में खराब लग रहा है दुखों की ऑफिस है अरे भगवान ने दुनिया दी है तो दुखों की दुनिया क्यों बोलेंगे हम अगर हमको पता है तो बोलेंगे क्यों पता है हमको स्वीकार करना चाहिए क्षणभंगुर जीवन की कलिका कल प्रातः को जाने खिली ना खिली वी नेवर नो सो वी नो कि दिस इज क्षणभंगुर जीवन वी वुड लिव लाइफ इन अ बेटर वे दैट इज वॉट वी नीड टू नो थैंक यू फोक्स वेरी मच आई नो आई एम रनिंग आवर लाइव आई वुड लव टू कनेक्ट विथ यू ऑल God bless you. Jai Shri Krishna. Have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was truly insightful and thought-provoking. It was indeed a privilege to hear from your perspective, and we are truly grateful for your time and guidance.
Before I invite, I have a question from you all. How's the Josh, everyone? One more time. How's the Josh, everyone? Now I request Roshan sir to come and say a few words.
Nikita, your question, later I'll discuss something, but not now.
Dignitaries on the dais, Sri Ramesh Ji Maheshwari and Sri Anil Ji Kariwala. I have seen the impeccable business acumen of Ramesh Ji Maheshwari because I have had the opportunity of attending a few audit committee meetings with him. So the kind of questions and recommendations he gives, that is something which is beyond an expert level, I would say, because problem. That is something which is extremely commendable, and we get a lot to learn from him. Lot to learn from him. And just to add one thing, you said that you wrote around 75 pages in business organization. Even I wrote just the ulta of it, 57 pages in business organization. In fact, I also secured the highest marks in the college. So there is some connection to it. And Shri Anil Ji Kariwala, he has spoke at length. So we could all see and the kind of knowledge he has, the kind of inputs he has given to all of us, how to lead life, all the chakras, and a few things which resonated with me. He said that people who don't read are the people who can't read. So in our profession, it is of utmost importance that we have to keep reading, we have to keep studying, to keep ourselves upgraded and updated all the time. The dignitaries of the dais, Shri Jaideep Ji Chitlangia and Shri Kishan Ji Kejriwal. Jaideep uncle is a perfectionist at the core. So I have seen him how perfect basically he remain all the time, and he expects the people to be perfect all the time. Kishan ji Kejriwal uncle, so I have seen you, your dedication, your discipline towards, because he is the owner of MCKV group. So we have seen that how he cares about the children who are there at school, and the kind of discipline he has inculcated in them. So as customary, Kaushal has already said how is the Josh. That is the custom which I had followed till now, but uski आवाज में जान नहीं थी. So I will do it again. How is the Josh, guys? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Welcome to Urja 4.0. Neeraj, Jay sir, Ramesh sir, and Anil sir, everyone has already explained very beautifully what is Urja, how that energy can transform into something which is unforeseen, which can create wonders. So everyone has discussed about it. So basically this particular Urja 4.0 is to lend a spark in you. So basically, definitely you are already a powerhouse. I'll give you an example. But we need to just give a spark to you which will ignite your potential. So this Urja is for you, to ignite the potential in you which can inspire progress. It is not just the words on the backdrop. It's a statement of intent of the firm. It's the statement of intent of the leadership. And we mean whatever we have made the tagline for Urja 4.0 this time, so we mean entirely by it, we stand by it. One thing I do not say very often, but today I would like to take this opportunity to tell you that we are extremely, extremely proud of you. You are the ones who have made this JPNR what it is now. You are the ones who have toiled during the days. You are the ones who have burnt the midnight oil because of which it has happened. And you are the ones who will shape the future of JPNR. So we are extremely proud of you. So a loud round of applause for each one of you sitting over here. So I'll just share a small story because that resonates with the topic today. The story is, there was a marble sculptor. There was a marble sculptor in a village. One young boy was sitting over there beside him. He was just looking at the sculptor, what he is doing. He observed that the sculptor pulled a block of marble. He was looking at it very, very purposefully. That boy was wondering why he's looking at the stone the way he was looking at it. So he asked that what you are trying to see in this block of marble. The sculptor said that I am seeing an elephant in it. Then the boy was surprised and he asked, how can you see an elephant in it? I cannot see anything in it. Then the sculptor said, he smiled and he said that it is because of the wisdom I have been able to create. And wisdom is a combination of knowledge and experience. So that wisdom is something based on which I am able to do it. I am able to identify the elephant. So I can see the elephant very, very clearly. And then again the boy asked that how do you know where to hit, where to hammer, to take the chip away? Then he said that due to this wisdom, I know exactly where to hit, and whatever is not an elephant, I will just remove it. So that is the wisdom. So all the words of wisdom, what we got from the speakers, so we are really, really grateful for it. There was a Rang De Basanti dialogue, if you remember that movie, right? कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता दोस्त, उसे perfect बनाना पड़ता है, right? So is the firm. So is our firm, that it is not perfect, it may not be perfect, but with your support, with your efforts, definitely we can make it perfect. If not perfect, there is always a scope of improvement. We'll keep on improving. So there are few asks from our side and few gives from our side. So I know that both should go hand in hand. There cannot only be asks and no gives. So both ways it should happen. So there are few asks. One is own your work completely. We have to own whatever we do in terms of deadlines, in terms of quality, in terms of delivery. So we have to own our responsibilities. Second, even Anil sir had touched upon it, that was embrace AI and technology. So now there is no future without AI or tech, right? So we need to be tech savvy. We need to start using the AI the way it should be used. We have to take initiatives. We need to try to be leaders rather than followers. So that is my third ask. And fourth ask would be never stop learning. As regards gives, your performance and initiatives will be rewarded. Be rest assured about it. And you will get the best of rewards. Both the monetary rewards, definitely that is very much required, and even the moral rewards. You come with the training need, and we will provide you the best of the trainers. That is our second give. Third give is you show initiatives, we will implement it, we will keep no stone unturned to make it happen. Be rest assured about it. You show the skill, we will provide you the platform. So these are the four gives which I can definitely, on behalf of other partners as well, I can definitely tell you that these are our gives. एक शायरी के साथ I would like to end this speech before I offer formal vote of thanks to the dignitaries. ख्वाहिशें रखना काफ़ी नहीं, ख्वाहिशें रखना काफ़ी नहीं, कदम भी उठाने पड़ते हैं. ख्वाहिशें रखना काफ़ी नहीं, कदम भी उठाने पड़ते हैं. समा खुद नहीं जलती, उसे रोशन करने के लिए हाथ बढ़ाने पड़ते हैं. So again, heartfelt gratitude to the dignitaries that they have taken out time from their very, very busy schedules and for enlightening us, which will definitely pave the path for us for making a better tomorrow. So thank you very much, and I would like to recognize the presence of these other speakers of the day, and even family. Rakhi is there, Khyati is there, Rashmi Bhabi, Mano Bhaiya, and even my daughter is there. My wife is not there, so abhi aayegi thodi der mein. So I also wanted her to be here. So thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful address.
Now I request Shyam sir, Surendra sir, Kishan sir and Jaideep sir to please come up on the stage for a group photo. And along with that, I request everyone in the audience to come up in the front for the group photograph.